we are going to discuss about the chapter quadrilaterals. So first we should understand what is a quadrilateral. Actually in real life we see various type of quadrilaterals like this. Suppose this is my mobile and this face is a quadrilateral. Also we can take some another example like this. This is a quadrilateral. So first we should understand the types of quadrilateral. This can be of various types. All these figures, what I am drawing in the board, is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. This is also quadrilateral. And quadrilateral can be of this type also. These all are quadrilaterals. Actually, area bounded by the four sides is called quadrilaterals. These are called the sides of quadrilateral. These quadrilaterals are closed figure. This is also known as closed figure, or this is called rectilinear figures. Because all these four sides are closed by closed figures and these are closed by straight lines. These are straight lines. Therefore, this is called rectilinear figures. Now, stop. So now we will see the various parts of the quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals have some parts. Suppose this is a quadrilateral PQRS. In this figure, we can see that this PQ is a line segment, PS is another line segment. So these line segments are called the sides of the quadrilaterals. Sides, we can write like this: PQ, QR, RS and PS. These four are called the sides of the quadrilateral. At the point where these sides meet, suppose this point, at this point Q, PQ and RQ meets. This point is called the vertex of the quadrilateral. Vertex. And the plural of vertex is called vertices. Here P, Q, R and S are the vertices of this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has some parts like this. This part is known as the angles of the quadrilateral. Here this is angle, this is another angle, and this one and this one. Okay, so angles are written like this. This symbol for writing angle is like this. All of you know actually these things we have studied earlier classes. So angle P, angle Q, angle S and angle R. So ultimately the conclusion is that there are four parts of the quadrilateral: sides, three parts of the quadrilateral: sides, vertices and angles. On the basis of these parts, the quadrilateral can be divided into various types. Now we will see it one by one. So now we will see the types of quadrilateral. The quadrilaterals are of various types such as parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium and kite. We will see one by one. This is the property of a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is said parallelogram when its two opposite sides are parallel. In this figure, AB is parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. And these all are the properties of a parallelogram, that opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, opposite angles are also equal. In this figure, we can clearly see that the angle D will be equal to angle B, and sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree, such that the angle D plus angle C will be always 180 degree. And another property of parallelogram is that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So these all are the properties of parallelogram. Like this, all types of quadrilateral have some properties. Suppose we draw a figure like this. Here AB CD is a quadrilateral, and in this figure AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. If the all angles are 90 degree, then this figure is, obviously this is a parallelogram, but this type of parallelogram having all angles 90 degree is called rectangle. This is called rectangle. Now we can see here clearly that all the properties of rectangle also belongs to the parallelogram except one. What it is, we will see in the next topic. Here also opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are equal, that is 90 degree, and sum of adjacent angle is 180, and also the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals bisect each other only.